Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So as you read in my description, we are going to be unboxing my two Ipsy bags. I do have 3 accounts. I unboxed my first bag a couple of days ago. When was that? Friday? Monday? You know, they were all there, but one decided to come home first, and the other one, both of them are here now. So we're going to get into the bag. For those of you who don't know anything about Ipsy, it is an American subscription. It is $10 American a month. I'm in Canada, we the North. Yay Raptors in Toronto. We do have to pay $5 shipping, and then when you convert it over, it costs between $20 and $21 a month. If you are new to Ipsy or thinking about signing up, very important that you should know on the 2nd of every month, I don't know where you are, your time zones, but here in Toronto, in Ontario, you want to be on your account the 2nd of every month around 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the morning, because they will come out with your spoilers of what you're going to get in that month's bag, as well as the add-ons. And the add-ons is new since Christmas. Okay, the add-ons. For a full-size add-on, it's going to be $11 US, and a deluxe size is $3 US, but you only get 3 add-ons per account. And they do sell out quickly, especially if it's something really expensive. So I'm going to show you my add-ons from my first bag, and then I'm going to show you my bag. All right, so my first add-on is this Sunday Riley. Oh my God, I got so much makeup in front of me. Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Enriched Moisturizer, and I know this stuff is really, really expensive. What is like 80 something dollars here in Canada? I could be wrong. FYI, my prices are always off. People always let me know in the comments. I'm always going to be off. You know, I'll always say something is more than what it is. That's just who I am. I do that. It makes me feel better. So yeah, my price just may well be off, but I know it is an expensive brand. So I do have another one of these. This one is going to be for me, and there's one that's going to go into my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and you don't want to miss that. That's going to be good. Okay. The next thing that I bought for the $3 add-on is Hey Honey, and it is a sweet treat wild berry and honey yogurt recovery mask. I really like this brand because I have sensitive skin and my skin is red, and I just really like this brand. It never makes me break out. I love it. I can't wait to use this. I wonder if it smells like wild berry and honey. Let me open it up. You ever have one of those really bad makeup days? Like I'm having a bad makeup day. And I think it started with my foundation. Let's see. All right, so it comes out pink like this. Oh, and it's got a little bit of a lightly berry smell. So that's pretty cool. Again, I love this brand. It's really good for sensitive skin. You know what I discovered today too? Okay, so I always said that Maybelline Fit Me was my favorite pharmacy foundation, but I haven't been reaching for it for a while, so I tried it on today. It's not my favorite foundation anymore. I just didn't like it. I don't like the way it looks on my skin. What I've been reaching for, oh, my Newfoundland accent came out so big, is the L'Oreal True Match. This is one of my favorite pharmacy foundations, and I'm like, okay, well, Maybelline, you just gonna have to move over because it's not your time. I also got this as a $3 add-on. So Ipsy this month has a theme with Tetris. I got together with Tetris, you know, the 80s and 1990s game. And it made all kinds of stuff Tetris. And I'm kicking myself. This is a nice blending brush. I like that. I'm kicking myself because they had 2 eyeshadow palettes that we could have gotten as an add-on. And I didn't get it. Kicking myself about that. All right, so this bag is blue. I got a purple one in my last bag. This one is blue. It comes with a card, so you want to make sure that you get everything in your spoilers, and what was in your spoilers is on your card. If it's not, you can email them and they will send you a replacement. I find for personally myself, if I tweet at Ipsy Care, I get a faster response than email, but they are pretty good. They are customer service, so we're just going to make sure that everything is here. Okay. So the first thing is this black volume cream. And what is this for? It is a moisturizer. Creates highly effective products targeted to treat your skin's concerns. Morning tip, apply morning and night. Apply pea-sized dots to your forehead, nose, cheeks. So it's a moisturizer. Okay, cool. Water capping system. 119 natural ingredients. Blah, blah. Okay. The next thing in this bag, and I'm going to pull it out as I take it out, is the Pure Lease. I've been seeing this brand everywhere. I just got their face mask a couple of months, no, in this month's Topbox, last month's Luxebox. I think I got Pure Lease something last month too. Like, I'm seeing this brand everywhere. This is their watermelon energizing marshmallow peel-off mask. So it's cool. It's a peel-off mask. I think I got the cleanser, maybe, something like that. All right. The next thing in this bag is First Aid Beauty. Seen this everywhere in every subscription box. This is their hydrating primer, which I've never tried this primer. I know I got it a few times and I gave it away, so I think this time I'm going to give it a try. Let me know, have you tried this primer? What is it like? I know that First Aid Beauty is really good for sensitive skin, so I'm going to try that. Happy to get that. And obviously the brush was as well in my bag, so it wasn't a $3 add-on. I was wrong. It was in my bag, which is pretty cool. And then the last thing I got is this Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow in Warm Golden Blonde. And this is already spoken for. My darling niece sent me a message asking if I got this month, and she wants it. So, but Benefit brow products are really good. I'm actually using my Benefit today. I don't know how to use these things. To be honest, I have a couple. I don't know how to use it. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So for $20, we'll do a little recap of this bag. We got the Benefit, we got the First Aid Beauty Primer, we got the Pure Lease face mask, the peel-off face mask. We got a moisturizer as well as the brush. Not a bad bag. I must say I enjoyed my last bag, the one I did I think on Monday, much better than this one. But it's not bad. I will try all of these things, you know, give my niece the brow. So, and I mean, it's going to last you a while, you know what I mean? It all depends on how much you use, but the brush is, you know me, I have a mad addiction to brushes. And again, we got the Sunday Riley and the Hey Honey face mask as well. I can't wait to use that. I'm going to use that tonight. All right, so we need to put that right here. All right, now we're going into the next bag. So I'm going to take it the Sunday Riley. Again, this is going to go on my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be a good one. What did I want to tell you guys? I forget what I want to tell you. What else we got here? Oh, so I did buy brushes. I knew I did. I knew I bought brushes. Stay there. So again, these are the Tetris brushes. I was going to buy the whole set. They had the whole set for 11 bucks, but I'm like, no, because the other 3 brushes that were there are, you know, I got tons of them. But it's the blending brushes that I use the most. I use so many blending brushes. I love a good blending brush. These are pretty freaking awesome too. I cannot wait to try these. Oh, they're nice and soft. So that is fabulous. I'm just going to stick that in my brush case because my brushes need to be cleaned because I'm dirty. All right, we got a purple bag. Yeah, so I think my last bag was purple as well. Where'd you go? I don't know what I did with that one. Is it on the floor? Uh-oh. Okay. Anyway, purple bag. So that's cute. See the little tassel right here? Again, you could have gotten purple, green, red, yellow, orange, blue. Yeah, I think all the colors. All right. So I'm going to take out my little pamphlet and make sure that everything is there. Okay, do I have any repeats? I don't think I had any repeats in that last bag, did I? Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, the Tetris Ipsy lip gloss. All right, that's cool. In Matrix, so it's very white. It's a very white lip gloss. Okay, let's give this a whirl and see. Oh, wow. It is shiny. Let's hope it's not one of those sticky lip glosses. You know, the one that your hair gets stuck inside of it. I don't like those. Okay, so that's all right. That's obviously full size. Then we got another brush. I love brushes. Oh, it is a repeat because I did get this one in my first bag, which, again, love brushes. Come Never go wrong with an eyeshadow brush. Then we got this from Sugar Cosmetics. What are you? Because I just got the blush. It's a highlighter. Oh my God, look at that. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to put some on because I don't have any highlighter. I really don't. I know it looks like I have highlighter on, but I don't have highlighter on. I think it's just maybe the 3 primers I put on today because I didn't like the way my foundation was. Okay, come on. Is this... Okay, look at that. That's some... Wow, that's some nice shine. Oh, okay, Rudolph. Uh-oh. Don't I look pretty? I don't know if you can see the shine on that. Maybe a little bit. It's just the sun coming through the window. All right, let's swatch. Love a good highlighter. That is pretty. Yay, highlighters. Woohoo. Sugar Cosmetics. All right, good for you. We do have another repeat. I got this one in my first bag, and I love this stuff. This is a leave-in hair conditioner, so I'm not mad at getting this. Love this stuff. And what do we have here? Oh, we have the Tarte Amazon Clay 12-Hour Full Cover Foundation in Light Neutral. So I'm excited to get this. I love trying new foundations. I've never tried this one before because it is a matte foundation. But we'll give it a go. You know, there it is right there. So it is very much matte. And I got a feeling a little bit of this will go a long way. So yeah, that's cool. I love trying new foundations. Yay. All right, recap. We got the Tarte. We got the leave-in conditioner. We got another brush. And we got the Tetris lip gloss, which, yeah, it's not feeling sticky. And we got the Sugar Cosmetics highlighter for 20 bucks. I like this bag. I'm happy with this bag. Which bag do I like better? My first one I really liked. I think it's a toss-up between this one and the previous video. The second bag, I don't know. It was good. I mean, but I think the only thing that really got me excited in that second bag was the brush, actually. Again, you can't go wrong with the $12 or $11 add-on, $11 US. That's the best thing about Ipsy right now because they do have a full-size bag, but we can't get it here in Canada. So thank God we can get the add-ons because usually what's in that full-size bag, most of the items we can get as an add-on. Most, not all. All right, that's it, everyone. Don't forget, please like this video. I know I'm kind of calm today. It's freaking you all out, isn't it? I'm really, really calm. You know, my next video, I'll probably be all like wacky, right? But right now, I'm really calm. That's it. Don't forget to like this video. For some reason, in the YouTube world, it really helps for some reason. So please like my video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you haven't hit all on that bell yet, you want to make sure you do that because you will always be notified whenever I make a new video. And please don't forget to send in your pictures and your postcards if you would like a shout out on all of your social media accounts and a goodie from my goodie bag. My address will be in the description box down below. Stay tuned, everyone. I'm going to be hopefully posting my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. When? Hopefully next week because I got to hit Morphe Sunday morning or Saturday morning, the 22nd, whenever that is, and be in lineup before it opens. That's it, everyone. Mwah. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.